everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to do the Picot bind off in knitting. It is absolutely adorable, and I thought that it would be a perfect fit for the project that I am finishing off. I've been working on this project for a little over a year now, so it's been a long time coming. If you want to know more about this project, I will be leaving the link to that blog post in my description box. Alright, today's bind off method is perfect for baby blankets or throws that you want to add just a little subtle something to as you finish it. I would probably use this for baby blankets mostly. It's really cute. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump into this tutorial. So as you can see, the Picot stitch just creates these little, well, picots along the edging of your work. It's a nice neat finish, and it's super simple to do. So I know that in my book it's a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. The instructions to do the Picot bind off are a little strange, and so hopefully today's tutorial will make that a little easier for you guys. What you're gonna do is you're gonna end up casting on an additional 2 stitches. So to do that, you're gonna insert your needle knitwise, and you're gonna knit 1. You're not gonna pull that loop off the needle though. You're gonna pull your new loop up and put it over the end of the needle like so. And then what you're going to do is stick your needle into that new loop knitwise and knit 1. And you're also going to pull that over your left hand needle. And so what that does, it creates 2 additional stitches on our row. So now we can simply begin to cast these off. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and knit 1, and we're going to pull this loop off our needle. We're going to knit another one and go ahead and pull that off our needle. And now we're just going to start casting off. So you're going to put your left hand needle into that first stitch that we did, and you are going to pull it over the second loop that we did. Just like that. Now, depending on how you want your picots to look, you can pull this a little snug. I usually do tug on it just a little bit because I like my picots nice and pointy. So now we're going to go ahead and knit the next stitch. Insert your left needle into that first stitch and pull it over the live stitch. And this starts to create our picot. Now, you can create as many stitches as you'd like between these little bumps. For my dress, I've been doing about 5, so I just did 2. So now we are going to knit another one, and bind it off, knit another one, and bind it off. Alright, and this has created another picot. Let me do one more because it looks like I skipped one. Alright. Alright, and that's what that looks like. So now I'm going to do another one here. So in order to move on, what you're going to do is you're going to take this live stitch off your right hand needle and put it back onto your left hand needle. Okay, and this is how we connect the picots. So we are going to again start over with casting on our 2 additional stitches. So there's 1. Oops, don't pull it too tight. And then here is 2. Alright, now we have our little cluster of 3 here, and now we can begin to work those off of our needle. So we're going to knit the first stitch and pull that loop off the needle. We're going to knit the second one, pull the loop off the needle. Then we're going to put our left hand needle under that first loop, and we're just going to slip it over that live stitch that's on our right hand needle. Just like that, and that's the first stitch that you've bound off. So we're going to knit the next stitch, and we are going to bind it off. And I'm going to knit the next stitch and bind it off. And like I said, I bind off a total of 5 stitches. At least for this project, I've seen people do as little as 4, up to however many they please. So this is definitely a versatile method. It just depends on how many times you want to create your little bumps along the edge of your project. One, two, three, 4. And they're very easy to count as well, the stitches on top of these bind offs. That's why I like it so much. It's very easy to see. Alright, and then put that live loop on my left hand needle. And that is how you do the Picot bind off. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you all. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to check out my project. I am super excited to be casting off this project. Finally, I started it last July or late last June 2020. So yeah, it's been a long time coming. I can't wait to finish this project and hopefully model it for you guys sometime soon in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. I usually post knitting tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. You can also check me out on other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat and TikTok, so I have a little something out there for everybody. And until next time, guys, happy making.